My channel, my name is I am Dee Dee Scraps. My life is a craft artist. I got my antler ears on, I got my snowman in the back. And what video is this, you guys? What? My craft artist? It is a Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland video. And I went to Dollar Tree today and I bought some cool things that you might want, that I like, that you might like to decorate your room with, or just have fun, in your house. So this is one thing I'm going to show you a sneak peek for this video. Is this beautiful wooden plaque I got for $1.25. It is a beautiful scenery of the I can show you the beautiful wooden scenery of the mountains, and look how beautiful it looks. I'm going to talk more about this in the video. I had so much fun shopping at Dollar Tree this week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited as much as I am to decorate my room for the winter time. And let's get started on this haul, you guys. I hope you're excited for all the things I want to show you this coming month. And next month is going to be a lot of Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland videos, and I hope you're excited. I think I'm going to upload a video every day, you guys, so get excited about that. So me and my snowman back there want to say hello to you guys. But I have so much fun talking to you guys. I love these videos. I love going to Dollar Tree. I love shopping. And don't forget to click down there if you really like these videos. And if you really like it, you would click that subscribe button down there. And if you love it more than subscribing and you already subscribed already, don't forget to click the notification button for more videos just like this for on my channel. So I cannot wait to talk to you more in the video. So let's start hauling. By the title, this is a Dollar Tree haul. I bought some things last Saturday. I had so much fun shopping there with my mom, and I bought this for my Dee Dee's Winter Wonderland, or maybe I might save for spring. I'm not sure yet, but I do got some beautiful things I would like to show you in this video. I hope you're excited as much as I am to decorate your room, decorate your house, decorate anything you want to, your craft room, your office, your bedroom. It's gonna be so much fun, you guys. So let's get started. Let's show you things one thing at a time. One thing at a time. I love this right here, right? This is a beautiful scene. It's wood. Then I have all this cool stuff you might want to buy to decorate your planters or your walls or whatever you want to use this for. And I think it's fun to have some fun shopping with our friends and families. And don't just shop just around this time of year. Shop all year round and support the small business as well. So Small Business Saturday is coming up very soon, you guys. And so is Black Friday, and so is Cyber Monday. I hope you have fun shopping. So let's get started on this haul. And I hope you enjoy everything I'm showing you today. And I hope you run into your Dollar Tree and get everything I'm showing you. So have fun. And let's get started. I'll show you in this wonderful video from Dollar Tree. It's some beautiful gift tissue paper. This is not that bad price. I think they should, have a little more than 8 sheets, but that's just my opinion. I just love it. It says gift tissue, premium quality wrapping tissue to wrap all your gifts or presents or just for your small business. I bought this for my personal use for all year round because it doesn't have anything on it but beautiful colors. I love the pattern, and this is what it looks like on the outside of the packaging. You get 8 sheets, and it's wonderful. And this is what it looks like on the outside before I show you what it looks like on the inside. But wonderful, isn't it? Beautiful pattern. I love the colors. I kind of wish they would have it in red, but that's okay. The pink is the second choice, and so is blue. So pretty. So let's look in the inside of this and show you. Hopefully it won't take too long to show you, but this is to show you the really pretty blue one first. This is the pretty blue. Okay, let's show this close. There's the pretty blue. That's what it looks like. The blue looks great, you guys. I love that color. And then let's show the pink. Pink's really pretty. The pink and white. And blue and white. So pretty. I'm so glad we can use this for packaging for all year round. And I love this. Going to your Dollar Tree. And I think they had like only 5 of these left. I should have took them all because I just love the pattern. So I just got 2. I didn't want to be greedy. But I'm going to wrap some gift stuff for my friends and families. And it doesn't have to be holiday or birthday or whatever. I just do it all year round. And I love it. It's so pretty. I just want to touch this so much. So I cannot wait to use this, you guys. So let's move on to something else I want to show you. It's my beautiful frame that I got in Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it's a 4x6. You can put photos on there. It's a special moments. I love the photos on here. So cute, so wonderful. A beautiful family just chilling in the kitchen cooking food, and then a family over here at a park or a beach, and it looks wonderful, you guys. I love this little thing, and I wanted one of these for a long time ago just to put on my wall. I'm going to use this in my craft room or my small business. I'm not sure yet, but I think I should have got 2 of these because I would love it. It has a little string right here. This little not string. What's this stuff called? Burlap, string. And then it's $1.25, so that's what it looks like from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to open this up right now on camera. I think I put a hole in it already just to get it open. I'm not sure. I think I did already. Yeah, I put it. Is it right there? Yeah, I put a hole in it right there so you can see. I don't think I did a good job because I did cut it. Oh, there it goes. I was about to say I cut this bad boy. So I'm going to show without the plastic because I'm going to put it on the wall eventually. So my new room, new craft room. I don't have a craft room yet, or I don't have a studio room yet. I'm just saying studio vlogs because I just think it's fun to see it, but I don't have either. I just have this little table in this room, and just tape on this little black table I got from Walmart. So if I can get this open enough, it would be a great. There we go. Takes a minute, but there we go. That's what it looks like, and so wonderful, right? And this was it's a pair. Not too bad, these little tiny ones, but you can use your own. I have my own clips. I'll probably use those instead, but I'm glad they have that there. So yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside of this. I'll show you. That's what it looks like, black. But cool, you can probably get paper in the background if you want to. That's what it looks like, you guys. So great, isn't it? I love it. I love frames. I'm obsessed with frames. Just the old-timey frames from the 1920s. The one that has the cottage grove kind of grove kind of feel. I love those. Am I saying that right? Cottage? No. Yeah, cottage. Cottage, and so much fun. Well, decor. This is really cool. I love foam. I've been buying foam at Dollar Tree for a while. I bought some more of these back in the day. These are wonderful right here. So this is what the company is right here, Christmas House. But these are some foam snowflakes. You can make these yourself. You can buy foam and make your own if you want to. I think I'm gonna start doing that. Instead of wasting my money on these. These are kind of, I took one out of the package because I want to show you how big it is. Look how big that is, you guys. It's a big snowflake, and it's kind of cheap and thin. I think they cut it thin on purpose, but I don't know. You get 12 in the pack right there, and this is wonderful. You can add whatever you want to this. You can add paint. You can add marker. You can add googly eyes. You can add stickers, glitter, whatever, beads, pearls, whatever you want to make this pop. And this is beautiful. You can decorate this until the end of January or February, because winter is 3 months and people don't realize that you can still decorate up to the end of January, and it's so much fun. Instead of just doing Christmas, you guys, you should think about doing winter as well, or just do winter for, at all. I just love it so much. Let's move on to something else I want to show you in this beautiful glittery white. Let's bring this over, you guys. Look at this glittery stickers. They are glitter snow flakes, and I call them crystal snowflakes because they look like little crystals. So they're really pretty. They stick pretty good, you guys. I've already did projects already with these stickers, and they're wonderful. I just love how they look. And I do have these in other colors. I saw blue snowflakes. I had light blue, dark blue. I seen gingerbread ones. I seen all kinds of stickers like that. And at Dollar Tree I went to. So go to your Dollar Tree and get some stickers to stick on your wall. If you can stick them on the wall or stick them on paper, make cards with this. You can make cards with this. You can stick them on one of these. Like I did a project already. I'm doing a video right now with me doing some DIYs with these snowflakes. Or you can stick them on anything you want to, on your notebook, if I can talk. Notebook, your planner, whatever. These stickers are wonderful. So I love it. These are so pretty. I love stickers, you guys. I'm obsessed with stickers. And I'm going to be making stickers for my small business very soon. And so I'm going to make those very first product will be stickers everywhere. Hey, wood lovers everywhere. This is what I got in the craft square in Dollar Tree. Beautiful scenery of the mountains, and I love the trees. So I was going to put like a white at the top, and then have like a light blue right there, and the rest be a little bit white with a little bit of dark blue to make it pop. And then I was going to paint this and glitterify this and make it really pretty. And I love the trees. It was like a light green to a dark green to a real deep forest green. I love that. And this is going to be like a lake with water all through it. Love it so much. And the tree looks beautiful right here. I can't wait to decorate this. If I don't do this for this winter, I'll do it for the spring or summer. I love wood. I think you should go on there and buy some wood things from Dollar Tree. This doesn't look too cheap. Look at this. It's pretty thick on the side right there, if you can see. Not too bad. And it doesn't feel too bad. It's sanded down really good. I love this. It's such a beautiful thing. And I love painting on wood. I have a lot of things I paint on wood on my channel. Go watch those videos. I did a lot of things with penguins and with what did I paint? I paint penguins. I painted trees, bunnies, all kinds of stuff I did with wood, and I love it so much. And I love this, and I can't wait to decorate this. You can use glitter right here if you want to. I'm a glitter lover, so if you love glitter, you're gonna have fun with this. Or if you like painting this or staining this, or just leave it like this if you want to. You don't have to do anything to it, but I love it so much. I love decorating my room. I love how you can make things pop, and I love how they have cheap, inexpensive ways to make your room pop for winter time and for all year round. So this is so much fun. I love this. I cannot wait to you know, to really paint this. I don't know what colors I really want, but it's going to be beautiful when I get it done. I'm going to take my time and do a whole video dedicated on making wood things. So much fun, right? I love crafting, and this is why I love crafting. I love this so much. So let's talk about something else in this video. I have some more things to show you in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And tell your friends when I'm Dee Dee's Crafts, my life dreams. If so, stay tuned. So hey craft artists, I hope you guys like this video. This is the end of the video, so I'm going to talk to you about believing in your dreams and this beautiful, wonderful, guess what this is, you guys? It's an undated planner. That's what it is. It's so beautiful. What do you think this was? You thought it was? Comment down below what you thought I was going to say. It'd be funny to know. But it's a beautiful undated planner. I love it. I love the beautiful ombre purples and the dark purple pink and all those colors. Beautiful. When I first saw this, I said, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love the color. I love everything about this. And I love what it says, believe in your dreams, because I believe in my dreams. I want y'all to believe in your dreams. So let's open it up and see, you guys. What can we see in this beautiful purple? If you're into purple, you're going to love this so much. And the very first page is beautiful purple. Right here, you can write your name or whatever if you want to right there, or do what you want. And then right here, these are some amazing stickers that you might want to use for your planner. So it says important, vacation, birthday. Then it says get it done. And then you have to do. They have a to do list. This right here is holiday. That's wonderful. Do not... Right, don't forget. And then vacation, we have little check marks at the bottom, and it looks wonderful. The colors are wonderful. So let's move on to something else for you guys. And on the very first page, it says right here, after the sticker page, it says, this is planner belongs to. Then you do personal information, your email, cell phone, if you would like, put that there. And then you go on to the next page. Right here is the important dates. So it could be hospital, it could be graduation, wedding, whatever you want to put on here. And beautiful. I love it. I love the little the boxes and the little lines you can write down for each day. I mean, each month. So, and then we can move on to the monthly spread, like people always say. And this is so wonderful. It's underrated by how good stuff is at Dollar Tree. So at the top is a month. You can write the month, and the dates are not there because, like I said, it's undated. And then you have top priorities at the bottom, and then it goes on for all the months you can. And it does have something cool in the back right here. Do you like this, you guys? I love this. And then it has a weekly one, just Monday through Sunday. The bravest thing you can do is to try. There's some beautiful things on here to say each week. There's something different, like you capture of amazing things. I mean, there's wonderful things on here. I just love it. And it's every week is something new to say on there. And then I love this right here. Don't be afraid to dream. My dreamers out there, my craft artists, don't be afraid. My dream is coming true. I buy all the supplies I need so far for my small business. And this now, next 2 months, November, December, and January, I'm going to work on all the inventory and get enough things out so I can start making money off my business. So I love this. This is a wonderful thing to get you guys motivated to do planning, or just a decorator planner. I love planner videos. I love decorating planners. I haven't done one in a long time. Dee Dee's planner is going to come up pretty soon. Or I call it Baby D planner. That's what I call it because my name's all D's. But I love this. Look at this book. And at the end, it's really pretty purple. And this is the end of it. Look at that pretty pinkish peach color right there. Really pretty, right? So thanks so much for watching this video. Showing you all these wonderful, beautiful things from Dollar Tree. And if you need to go in there and buy any things for your decorating for your winter wonderland, like I did my Dee Dee's Wonderland, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun shopping, because I know I will. Watching another I Am Dee Dee's Crafts, my life. So what craft artist video. I had so much fun talking to you about Dollar Tree, how to decorate your room, how to buy some accessories for your room for wintertime. I'm so excited because I love decorating for every season now. For a long time I didn't do that, so I don't want to do it. So I'm just lazy. But now I love it. I love my snowman, snowflakes. I'm not done decorating back here. As you can see, I'm just not done. I haven't done them all over there either. It's kind of plain. So I will be doing some more things to decorate this room, make this room pop for you guys. The video's coming out with me decorating the whole place, and I can't wait to show you that. Next couple of days will be coming out, and I hopefully watch that. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. Don't forget to click down there for more videos. Like, subscribe to my channel down there, and click up there for more notifications for my channel. Please, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video, and I had so much fun showing you all the things I did for this video. It's so much fun. I had so much fun buying things from Dollar Tree. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and keep crafting no matter what. What?